Your next car could be the 2024 Chevrolet Colorado. With less than 20,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. The Colorado packs fuel efficiency, creature comforts, and can-do capabilities into a mid-sized pickup that's fun and easy to drive, whether you're in the city or on the work site. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: pre-collision system, intelligent auto on-off high beams, lane departure warning, tires all-terrain, keyless entry, navigation system, heated mirrors, lane keeping assist, keyless start, four-wheel drive. Have fun, drive smart, get the job done. Count on the Colorado.